Hi guys, Arishka's Playlist signing in and welcome to another episode of my YouTube Shorts, and for today's video, I am here at Chocolate Republic to try the Pistachio Dubai Style Chocolate. Since this is our second time to try this chocolate, I am so glad that I finally got to share it with you guys. And for today's video, dalawa yung binili naming box kasi why not? Coconut cravings lang. So if you haven't tried this chocolate yet, just drop by at Chocolate Republic, referring to the address you'll see in this video. Anyways, thank you for packing, ate. Finally, the moment of truth has come. So, eto na tayo. Samahan nyo na akong i-unbox itong chocolate na to. And honestly speaking, napakahirap niyang i-unbox kasi super sealed niya. At kita nyo naman sa video na to, medyo nahirapan talaga akong i-open yung box, guys. So, ito po nga pala yung second packaging niya, guys. And ito ang pinakamahirap na i-open dahil napaka-secure niya at medyo hindi mo siya mapupunit basta-basta, kaya ginamitan ko talaga siya ng scissors. Scissors? Anong klaseng pronunciation yun? Anyway, ito na. Open na siya and behold, the Pistachio Dubai Style Chocolate. Oh, diba? Ito lang pala yung maliit na version niya. Actually, may malaking version pero it's not yet available at Chocolate Republic. So, ito na muna tayo, guys. Okay na to. Okay na to. Okay na ako dito. Okay, so I'm ready to take a bite. Let's break it into a little piece. Ayan, and behold the crunchy insides of this chocolate, guys. This is actually the highlight of this trending chocolate, guys. And before we eat it, let's take off this stock chocolate and bon appetit. My apologies, while I am eating, I didn't realize it wasn't recording. So here I am giving you a thumbs up to let you know that it's highly recommended. And this is Arishka's Playlist signing off. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!